It's Chris here today from Huckabones Equipment. Today's video, you'll see behind me, we have the M6-101 with an ALO M42 loader. In today's video, we're going to be taking that on and off, and it's something that I've never actually done before, so I brought one of our top techs here. He's been here over a decade, and that's Dan. So he's going to be doing a lot of the talking, saying what he's doing to demonstrate that all. So let's jump right to it and have Dan in that cab taking that loader off.
Okay, so we're gonna hop up in the tractor, fire it up and raise the loader. Now we're gonna raise the loader with the loader joystick just off the ground to take the weight off the pins. Then we're gonna get out and release the pins and drop the legs. We're releasing the pin. You pull out and twist it to lock it out. Walk to the other side and do the same thing. And then come here and drop the legs. Same thing on the other side. Okay, so we're gonna curl the bucket out so that it hits the ground and lower the bucket to curl out. And then it's going to pop out of the pockets, and you curl the loader all the way in. Drive ahead a little bit to let the slack off of the hoses. Shut it off. Relieve the pressure in the hoses. And get out and take the quick attach off. So over here you're going to pull the red tab out. Pin out, raise it up, lift it up there, set it up there. So now to put it back on, we're gonna put the quick coupler on first, line up the two pins, pull that out, lock that down in place. Okay, so whenever you go to lock it back in, the pin locks are self-locking. So whenever the loader sits it down into the pocket, you keep raising the loader, it's going to hit this pin, and it's going to trip the pin locks to spring back into the locks. Now we're going to curl the loader back in. So it sits down in the pockets. Now we're going to raise the loader, and it's going to lock back in. Raise it up to lift the legs back up. And spring-loaded lock. Go to the other side and do the same thing. And then get back in the cab and go to work.
Okay, so that brings the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit from Dan there. It was really great for him to share his knowledge of how to take that loader on and off. So that loader, as long as you're in Canada and have an ALO loader, that'll follow you up right from a 70-60 straight up to the M7 series lineup of how to take that loader on and off. So if you did enjoy today's video, please like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, please leave them down below. Thank you.